What you're doing here.
So I have to tell you the backstory. So a client wanted us to do a window for them, right? And they had a door. Was it from Turkey or was it from India?
India.
It was India. And beautiful textured glass. And we thought, oh yeah, no problem. We can take care of that. So we started looking for this textured glass. The only place we could find it was India. So from what we already charged the client, it was just cost prohibitive for us to get that kind of glass. So this was from India.
It's going to be very expensive to ship it.
Exactly. So this was the design that was in the texture of the glass. And so we thought, okay, what if we just took that design and then sandblasted the design in it? And I thought, okay, that might work. It doesn't have the same texture, of course, but it has the same look to it.
Okay.
So I will show you, is the one over there that I've already done? No, I put it over here somewhere. So I'll show you one that I've already cut out in a really pretty blue. So that's what it looks like. It's got the same design, just not the same texture. The other one, of course, you know, all of these were all bumpy and sticking up and stuff. But, you know, sometimes you have to get creative and do something that's similar, but not exactly. And that's what we came up with.
So right here, what are you doing? You're cutting off little pieces of resist.
All these lines were there. David cut them out, and so I've got one more little piece to do here. And yes, I put a resist on, so you can tell that the resist is covering. And then I put the paper pattern on top, and now I am just cutting through. And I'm kind of just going a little bit on either side of the line. So it's going to make a line in there, but not a really big one.
If you think that the color of the white of the line from the sandblasting is too much, we could put it in the kiln and fire it up to like 500 degrees or something and then cool it.
All right.
If you wanted to.
Maybe we should do one as an experiment, you know, like a different piece.
Kind of fire polish it.
Yeah, why not? This is all an experiment anyway. So
we'll do a sample so you know whether or not you're...
Yeah. Okay, so, and once I get this all cut out, I just have one little piece left, then I'll sandblast it, and then I can take off the resist.
Huh. Wait a minute, does this one get done? Yeah, I guess it did. Now I'm impressed because that action that you're going with right there, using a craft knife like that, it makes my fingers just go numb.
You have arthritis?
Well, it's not in the joints, it's the skin goes numb from the pressure.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. So, it looks kind of cool. Does it look Indian to you?
Yeah, it's really cool.
So, that's kind of what we're doing here in the studio today.
So here you are at the sandblaster.
Here I am.
And can you even see it in there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Here we go.
Yeah, I can't see a thing in there with the camera.
Yeah, nothing is coming out.
Better? Alright, well, looks like you've not done those parts of there. What about right here?
Feels like it.
Alright. What did that take? About 15 minutes of blasting?
Did it?
I do notice a little puff of smoke that comes out of here when you start blasting, so it's not perfectly sealed, so we probably ought to wear a mask.
You're right.
That's some pretty sticky stuff, Jeannie. Now don't pull it off the front till after you've inspected to make sure that it's blasted all the way up to the top. You need your knife. So you already cut it to the height it's supposed to be?
Yes, 14 inches high, 8 inches wide.
Alrighty. I like the fit on that. Okay.
Okay, and I haven't started the red yet. We have to take it from a big sheet. We ordered a light red, which seemed lovely, but let me show you. A light red, I don't know, looks orange to me.
Put it up in front of the light. Let's see. That's about as orange as they can get.
So, fortunately, we had a cherry red cathedral.
Oh, look at that. That looks
That
red.
looks red.
Yeah. So you've already got it set for 8 inches, so you
So
can,
do an 8
yeah, and then you cut it off
at a 14.
at a 14.
All right. I'm glad you're here. You're my checker.
I'd rather play chess than checkers. I like to pick it up some when I do that.
Pick it up some.
Yeah, just like that. Just chunk.
Like that?
Just like it. Now you notice Jeannie was holding it away from her body as she moved the big sheet of glass so that if a piece of it broke off, it wouldn't fall and hit her.
I did it right, huh?
That's the way you want to do it, because every once in a while a piece has a crack that you don't know about.
Right. That has happened.
It used to happen a lot more when we would go pick up our glass ourselves and then had to handle it a lot, and we had to, you know, cut it so that it would fit in our shelf. And just turn it and
What?
crack it on the edge of the table.
Oh. All right.
Okay.
Okay.
That's
so
right.
I still have to put the little designs in it, but, and then we're going to put brown strips, huh?
Yep. That'll give it kind of a, like the door that it was in had some wood in between the pieces, so that'll give it a match.
All right, that's it for now.
Now, what you doing, Jeannie?
Well, I'm going to put some resist on this red piece now.
So what is this resist?
Oh, I don't know, what is it? I don't know. It's vinyl.
Oh, this is the vinyl that we got for the sign shop cutter
Yeah.
that we were never able to use. Maybe we should offer that for sale for a real good price. Okay, now what are you doing?
I am peeling the sticky part off.
Why do you have the piece of glass sitting on it?
I didn't move it yet.
Oh, I thought maybe you were doing that so that you could keep it from rolling up on you.
No, it didn't roll up on the others, so. So I found the best way to not get too many bubbles is to just kind of drop it right on. Because if I try so carefully to put it on any other way, I always get bubbles. And you still will. You still will get some. Okay, so now I'm going to fold up the sides.
Wow, it's so easy to put it on. How come it's so hard to take it off?
I know, I've thought of that. It's still got some bubbles.
I never worry about those because as you're cutting it off and burnishing it down,
Okay.
it seals really well. Okay.
All right.
Leave it alone, Steve.
Leave it alone, Steve. Okay, so now I'm going to glue that down. So we get some paper.
Secret stash.
Okay. It is kind of rolled up, huh? Okay, I'm using a spray glue. This happens to be a Scotch Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive.
Don't we buy that from an art supply store?
All right, so now I'm gonna